morning everyone. Today we will discuss next topic, infertility. Then what is infertility? The means of infertility is that failure to conceive when after one or two or many years of regular unprotected sex. The term is not synonym of sterility, which means complete inability to produce offspring. Infertility means a person which are not conceived one or many years one or many years of regular unprotected sex. Infertility is not related to sterility. Sterility means completely a person is not produce offspring. It is two types, primary and secondary. Primary infertility is the infertility found in patients who have never conceived. Primary infertility means a person cannot conceive in future, and secondary infertility is that a person is previously conceived in but after they have many problems due to they not conceive. It is found in male or it is found in male and female both. Male have also a less count of sperm and other disease which have responsible for infertility. Let's see the reason of infertility. The reason for infertility could be physical, congenital disease. Diagnose the problem. And give reaction or psychology. Specialized health care units called infertility clinic means that where a person is corrected or diagnosed of this problem, where the problem is solved, that are specialized technique which is known as ART, means that assisted reproductive technology. In short form, ARTs to those persons who cannot produce children. They are as follows. First, test tube baby program. Test tube baby program. What do you mean by test tube baby program? It is not means that a baby is produced in test tube. No, it is only means that a person female who gives ova or donor female which gives ova, and the sperm from male or husband or donor is allowed to fuse in simulated condition in the laboratory. That is called IVF, in vitro fertilization. Completely means of test tube baby program is that a female which produce ova but can't fertilize in fallopian tube. These female release ova from her ovary, and husband or donor male which release sperm. Both are fused in laboratory conditions, and it fertilized in test tube, and when zygote are formed, which are 8 blastomere in condition, it transfer into fallopian tube for further development. This process is called ET, means that embryo transfer. And now this is called this is done by ZIFT, ZIFT and IUT, means that ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer, and IUT, intrauterine transfer. हम बात कर रहे हैं टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी प्रोग्राम की। टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी प्रोग्राम एक्चुअली होता क्या है? यहाँ जो फीमेल ओवा को फर्टिलाइज नहीं कर पाती है, उस फीमेल में ओवा बनता तो है लेकिन फर्टिलाइज नहीं हो पाता। तो ऐसे फीमेल केस में होता क्या है कि उस